Holy shit, guys. You'll never believe what I have just got. Slash my brother. It's actually insane. You're probably wondering, how have I done it? What's going on? But this is actually insane. I have upgraded majorly from that little shed with no room in it. This is insane, seriously. But before I get into the video, you've got to meet my brother. I'll give you a little sneak peek of the factory though. Bang. Just there. That's our one there. From that door across to there. So let's go inside. I'll introduce you to my brother and then I'll do a walk around the factory and show you what we've done and whatnot. Also, there's a wall in there that we need to take out, so I'm going to do a time lapse of me and my brother taking it out, or starting to take it out, and then we're going to work on it tomorrow, being Friday, and then it'll be really good, because at the moment there's like a balcony thing above it, and then there's not enough room, so it's sort of split in half with a wall. So we're going to take the wall out, make it way bigger, but you'll see.
I'm Bear Grylls, and today we're in Ecuador. We've found a young little stray puppy that we're gonna eat his shit. Ooh. Nah, just joking, guys. My name's Anthony. I'm Merrick's brother. Your dog is weird as fuck.
The best piece of advice I have for someone trying to succeed in the film industry or any creative space is, if you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're doing it wrong.
If you can't tell by now, we're taking out that wall to make more room for cars and all the other shit that we're going to have in here. Pretty much this over here, we're going to have like hopefully 2 or 3 cars in there and shit on an angle. We're pulling that out, more space to drive them in. Heaps and heaps of space, like look up there. It's even got a shower.
One of the best to ever do it.
While Ant's doing that, I'm going to take it, we'll figure out how to take out this bench, and we're going to use like some of it just over there in that corner. So obviously you're taking this wall out, so we're going to use it over there in that corner. So I can start doing that. Got some of it done. Ended up cutting it in half, bashing it off. It's just sitting up there for now. Might put it there, don't know where I'm going to put that bit. What? Give me so much room for activities.
What is freedom? I think I stole this from Bob Dylan, but maybe I stole this from Woody Guthrie. Freedom for me is waking up in the morning and going to sleep at night, and in between doing exactly what I want to do. What's the secret to happiness? The secret to happiness is finding something you love and then doing that for the rest of your life.
Well, we've pretty much stripped it. Hopefully take all that wall out tomorrow. It's currently 8:18 at night, so I think we're going to continue tomorrow. But it's looking good. Looking good. Alright, so welcome to the factory, the shop, the garage, whatever you want to call it. This thing's actually pretty big. Yeah, this is good. This is going to be so good to work on cars and stuff. Oh, I can't wait. I seriously cannot wait. So sick. Coming in the door. Coming in the door. Got a shower for some reason. All the good stuff. Smoko room for when you're on smoko, sitting on a crate.
I'm on smoko! So leave me alone. I'm on smoko!
Massive door. But it's annoying. It's not electric. You've got to pull it up with a chain, but that's alright. Doesn't really matter. That's where my brother's going to work on like excavators, trucks and all that stuff, because that's his job. And then I'm going to hopefully have... We're going to have a car here and hopefully get a hoist soon. So we'll have a car there. We'll have a car... You not? We'll have a car here as well. So that's going to be sweet, so much room. And then this is going to be my designated workbench. Just here. Decent size. I'm going to buy a toolbox as well to go here with like rollers on it and all that stuff. And then we got this. We got all this space. Like, it's just massive. That is actually a massive workbench. It is so good. Like seriously. Look, we've got more space over here. Under the stairs, it's like all he's going to keep his oil and stuff for the trucks. The guy that we're leasing this off, the guy we're leasing this off left some Mercedes rims there and there. I think he's coming to pick them up. That's annoying, taking up our space, but hopefully he's going to get them like Monday or something. We even got it upstairs. Got to go upstairs. So much storage up here. Like, insane. So good. Hope you guys are as pumped as we are about this garage. It is so good. Like, seriously. Look how much room we have for cars. What are you doing, Ant?
I'm building a desk.
Building a desk? For when customers come in?
For all my admin stuff.
All your admin stuff. Yeah, nice. It's gonna go over here, at the front door sort of thing. Along here. Because obviously he's running a business out of here. I'm just doing it for YouTube. Hopefully it picks up and then maybe I'll turn this into a business as well. But yeah. We're also gonna get stickers for there. Like he's gonna have one for his company. I'm gonna get one saying Mezzarino on there. One of my subscribers that follows me on Instagram, and a couple of other people as well that follow me on Instagram. They have like a group chat with me. It's really cool. They told me that I should get that white wall over there. Get someone to like graffiti it with like Mez and all that stuff on it. It'll be freaking sweet. So yeah, that would be actually really amazing. If you know anyone that does that, they're in Melbourne or down my way, let me know in the comments or hit me up on Instagram. Let me know about that. And I'll try and sort something out about that. Don't know if you can tell how much room there is in this factory, but I'm in the far corner. Camera does not do justice at all. So, if you remember, there was a wall there, taking up a lot of space. So, yesterday we ripped it out. Obviously, you saw us get a start on it. We got some of our mates around that are builders. I helped them. We ripped it out, put these posts in, nice big beam along there, and opened up the shop way more. As you can tell, it's amazing. So good. If we didn't do that, we probably wouldn't be able to fit more than like one car in there, because we'd be going in like straight, not on the angle. Now we can go on the angle with two cars, and it is so good. We're getting set up. He's making that. I need to go down to Super Cheat Auto and probably get myself like a sliding, rolling around toolbox and all that stuff, so I can service that thing behind me. It's well overdue. Got to get the VT here, or the SS, and get a few other things ready. So I'll try and keep you updated. Yeah, this is so sick. Can't wait to make it our place fully. We've already started, and it's insane. Let's keep doing it. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that little walk around, pulling the wall out, what we did with the shop. This is actually so sick. Like, I really hope you guys are enjoying this. Hopefully get some stickers made up soon or like a big banner for the window over there. Got to get the SS here. We got some big plans coming. Filming more video of me servicing this car. It's well overdue, as I said before in the clip. Got to get the SS here. Got to. I don't know. I am keeping this car now, the daily, because I'm buying another project car. So you got to stay tuned for that. Yeah, I almost had one the other day, but it fell through, and it just was not right. I didn't feel right about the car, and the compression levels were really low on it. So that was annoying. I'm looking at one in Adelaide, so could hopefully get it. It's just got a wiring issue that's getting fixed up, and then I'll hopefully have a look at it, or get RACV to go have a look at it. Oh, I'm also going to probably, because I'm keeping this car, I'm going to probably just do this up. I'm going to get some wheels for it, either coilovers or just lowering springs, probably easier, they're cheap. Maybe bags in the future if someone funds it for me, or if I can get the funds for it, find a cheap set, blah blah. Also going to probably cut the exhaust out and put a new exhaust in myself, or find something online, buy it, find it, well, whatever, you know. And everything I do is going to hopefully be in this garage, which is going to be so good. I seriously can't wait to start working on cars in there. Probably go to, what do I got to do? Super Cheap Auto, get a toolbox. I got things to do. I got lots and lots of things to do. So plenty of videos coming out for you guys. Hopefully like one a week like I was doing, or maybe even 2 a week. It's going to be sweet. What? Seriously, we got 850 subscribers now, climbing, absolutely smashing it, guys. I can't thank you all enough. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know that I thanked everyone. I've just been waiting to make this video to thank everyone online, because you obviously don't all follow me. So thank you. Follow me on a Ferrari. Follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. Follow my Facebook page. Blah blah. And then if you follow me on Instagram, sometimes I put up my Snap code, and you can follow me on Snapchat as well. Or just ask me in the comments down below. Please leave comments. Please leave a like. And if you really want to see more of this, smash the subscribe button. Press the notification bell if you want to get notified when my videos are out. And probably doing a sticker giveaway at 900 subscribers. And then I'm getting some jumpers made up just like this. This is my brother's company right here. I'm going to get something like this made up, but with my logo, something on the back. And I'm going to give that away for 1,000 subscribers, and a sticker pack with the jumper as well for 1,000 subscribers. So stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram, because I'll be updating on all that and stuff. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Peace.